Okay, good morning everyone. Happy New Year. 大家新年快樂馬年大吉下。My name is Miss Yu, and I'm the principal here at Commodore Stockton. I'm so happy to celebrate the Lunar New Year here with you. Our teachers and students have worked very hard to put on an amazing performance, and I just can't wait to show you the hard work that they have done.
早上好啊！我係2號長，我非常高興今日同大家一齊喺 Commodore Stockton 慶祝農曆新年。今年係馬年，我哋嘅老師同埋學生為今日呢場精彩嘅農業表演咧，付出咗好多嘅努力。我哋會迫不及待要呈現俾大家睇啦。
So this is my 7th year at this school as the principal, and we actually started doing this Lunar New Year celebration in 2023, and so this is our 4th year doing this. This is actually one of my favorite events, and you'll see why, because when the students come up and do their performances, you'll see how amazing this event is.
呢個係我呢間學校嘅第7年。我哋自從2023年開始咧，就舉辦農曆新年慶祝活動。今年係第4屆嘅農曆新年表演。呢一樣咧係我最中意嘅活動。等陣間大家睇到咧，老師同埋學生投入咗努力同埋用心，再明白點解呢個係我最喜歡嘅活動。
I also want to thank all of you for showing up here today. Here I see, parents, grandparents, aunties, uncles, family, friends. It's just so nice to see everyone here together here. Your children are happy to see you here as well. So I want to thank you all for being here for your children today.
同時，我都要非常感謝今日到場嘅各位家長。我睇到有啲爸爸媽媽、爺爺嫲嫲、外公外婆同埋叔叔阿姨，同埋一啲親朋好友，睇到大家嘅到嚟，我非常之開心。孩子們都因為你們嘅到嚟而感到無比嘅開心。多謝你哋對孩子們嘅支持同埋陪伴。
So first, let me introduce room 1. We have teacher Miss Wendy and paras Miss Lisa and Miss Irene. They're going to perform 2 songs and 1 dance to celebrate the Year of the Horse with you. Room 1 wishes you the Year of the Horse will bring you wealth, health, and joy.
1號課室開始表演。首先我哋1號課室由 Miss Wendy 老師同埋助教 Miss Lisa、Miss Irene 老師帶領，佢哋為大家表演2首歌同埋1支舞蹈，共同慶祝馬年嘅到嚟。1號課室祝大家馬年帶嚟財富、健康同埋快樂，請大家欣賞。
Firecrackers, firecrackers, boom, boom, boom. Red lanterns, swing, swing, swing. Dragon dance, stomp, stomp, stomp. New year, welcome in. Firecrackers, firecrackers, boom, boom, boom. Red lanterns, swing, swing, swing. Dragon dance, stomp, stomp, stomp. New year, welcome in. Firecrackers, firecrackers, boom, boom, boom. Red lanterns, swing, swing, swing. Dragon dance, stomp, stomp, stomp. New year, welcome in. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
每个人小心的一年一来到。
没有悲伤不再孤单，美好的日子在前方。
新的衣裳穿得漂亮，欢欢喜喜来歌唱。
你拿红包，我也拿红包，开开心心吃年糕。
敲锣打鼓，快来起舞，家家户户好幸福。
许愿新人合家团圆，福星高照满人间。
新时的百年，睁开笑脸，心想事成的无边，大家欢迎幸福年。乒乓乓乓，爆竹康康康，咚咚咚咚，带来新希望。乒乓乓乓，爆竹康康康，咚咚咚咚，今年好运到，恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜！耶！岁岁平安，哈哈哈！年年有余，哈哈哈！健健康康，哈哈哈！青春美丽，哈哈哈！Everybody says 恭喜 ，Everybody says 恭喜 ，Come on let's go celebrate， let's go celebrate。快来，好运到来，快来，幸福满怀，快来，百万横财，今年一定会精彩，快来，好运到来，快来，幸福满怀，快来，百万横财，今年一定会精彩。敲锣打鼓，快来起舞，家家户户好幸福。
许一个心愿，合家团圆，福星高照满人间。
新时的百年，展开笑脸，心想事成的无边，大家欢迎幸福年。乒乓乓乓，爆竹康康康，咚咚咚咚，带来新希望。乒乓乓乓，爆竹康康康，咚咚咚咚，今年好运到，恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜！耶！砰砰砰，爆竹康康康，咚咚咚咚，带来新希望。乒乓乓乓，爆竹康康康，咚咚咚咚，今年好运到，恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜恭喜！耶！岁岁平安，哈哈哈！年年有余，哈哈哈！健健康康，哈哈哈！青春美丽，哈哈哈！快来，好运到来，快来，幸福满怀，快来，百万横财，今年一定会精彩，快来，好运到来，快来，幸福满怀，快来，百万横财，今年一定会精彩。
All right, thank you, Room 1. Before we continue with our performances, I would like to introduce a special guest today. We have our superintendent, Dr. Maria Su, has joined us for our performance. So please give a round of applause and invite her up.
今日嘅特別嘅嘉賓嚟到，就係我哋嘅三文治校區總監 Dr. Su。
早晨，大家。Thank you so much. Yes. 大家好，我叫做Maria Su. I'm your superintendent. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much, Jenny, for inviting me.
我係 Dr. Su， 好多謝余校長邀請我嚟參加你哋嘅表演。
Students, you were so amazing. Did you work really hard and practice really hard? Yes. Yes, you practiced really hard. And who helped you practice really hard? Oh, thank you so much, Ms. Cortella. Who else? Who else? Yes, who else helped you practice really hard? Who else? Your Losi, your teacher? Yes, thank you so much to all of our teachers, all of our educators for working with our students every single day.
好多謝我哋嘅老師，我哋嘅教育工作者嚟同學生 工作嘅每一日。
And parents, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting your student, our student, your child, and for giving us the opportunity to support your student to grow and be successful, which is the American dream. As a person who came here when I was 3 years old, I know that that's what my parents wanted for me. And I went into our public schools so that I could thrive. And I would not be where I am today if it wasn't for amazing educators, strong public schools, and people who trusted and believed in me so that I could stand in front of you. And hopefully, one day, your students will be able to stand in front of a room of community leaders and say the same thing.
好多謝家長們嘅支持。我3歲嚟到美國係移民嚟到美國係就係因為公立學校嘅支持同埋咩實現咗我個夢想。
That's okay. And then finally, I know it's hard, but please continue to invest in your students. Invest in your child, even when they're babies and young. Because as we pour our love into our children at a very young age, I know that we'll be able to reap amazing rewards later.
請繼續支持你哋嘅細路仔，我哋知道有你哋嘅支持，細路仔會慢慢走去成功嘅道路。
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
All right, thank you, Dr. Sue. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with our performances. Next up, we have room 2. So room 2 is our toddlers. So you'll see that they're our youngest toddlers. Yeah, let's give them a hand of applause.
跟住嚟，我哋去到2號課間嚟講，我哋好得意嘅幼兒班。
So in room 2, we have teacher Miss Tiffany and paras Miss Karen, Miss Jenny, and Miss Annie. Our toddlers will start with a freeze dance to warm up, and then they're gonna wish everyone a happy new year and end with some wiggle movement time. Our room 2 students have been working very hard to prepare these special performances, so we hope you enjoy it.
2號課室由老師 Miss Tiffany 同埋助教 Miss Karen、Miss Jenny 同埋 Miss Annie 帶領，孩子們將以一首 freeze dance 熱身向大家送上新年祝福，以歡樂嘅舞蹈結束表演。2號課室嘅細路仔為今日嘅演出做出咗充分嘅準備，請大家給予熱烈嘅掌聲。
We wave and wave and wave and wave and wave and wave and stop. We wave and wave and wave and wave and wave and wave and stop. We shake and shake and stop. We shake and shake and stop. We shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and stop. We shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and stop. Now we bounce and bounce and stop. We bounce and bounce and stop. We bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and stop. We bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and stop.
Thank you, room 2. All right, now we're gonna have room 3. Room 3, we have teacher Miss Joanne and the parents Miss Wendy and Miss Ella. So for room 3, they would want to wish everyone a happy new year with 2 dances. The first song will be a traditional Mandarin song called Where's Spring. The second song will be a new popular song, you guys all know it, called Golden. And then our room 3 students will share some wishes with you to bless you good health, good wealth, lots of strength and peace.
多謝2號課室，跟住落嚟咧就係3號課室由老師 Miss Joanne 同埋 Miss Wendy、Miss Ella 老師帶領3號課室為大家帶嚟2支舞蹈，向大家送上新年嘅祝福。第一首係傳統嘅普通話歌曲《春天在哪裏》，第二首係流行歌曲《Golden》。之後孩子們再會分組上台為大家送上祝福，祝大家財源廣進，身體健康，平安喜樂。
这里有红花呀，这里有绿草。
you, room 3. Next, we have room 4 with our teacher, Miss Young, Paras, Miss May, and Miss Selena. Their first song is to wish everyone the year of the horse, happy year of the horse. And the second song is to practice Kung Fu to let our bodies be strong and healthy.
多謝3號課室，跟住嚟咧就係4號課室由 Miss Young、Miss May 同埋 Miss Selena 帶領。第一首歌曲為大家送上馬年祝福，第二個節目就係功夫表演，希望大家對新嘅一年係身體健康。
Room 4. Okay, last we have our TK room. TK, we have teacher Miss Portolan and Paras, Miss Hannah, and Miss Yuki. Miss Hannah is not here today, so Miss Ruby will be helping out. This performance is inspired by the animals of the Chinese zodiac. We hope you enjoy it.
好多謝4號學生，跟住嚟就 TK 班由 Miss Stockton 同埋 Miss Hannah、Miss Yuki 老師帶領。今日 Miss Hannah 老師講到由 Miss Ruby 幫手。呢啲班嘅表演靈感嚟自中國嘅12生肖，希望大家喜歡佢哋嘅精彩演出。
Hello, friends and families, and happy year of the horse. Did you know that there are 12 animals in the Chinese zodiac? Lucky for us, they are all here today. First is the clever rat. Next is the patient ox. The adventurous tiger. The kind rabbit. The warm-hearted dragon. The curious snake. The energetic horse. The gentle goat. The silly monkey. The brave rooster. The playful dog. And the loving pig. These are the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac.
Yeah. in every hand. Fortune whispers across the land. The moon smiles wide, the stars align. Joy and light in the lantern shine. Year of the horse, chasing dreams, we'll find our way. Who's a thunder? Heart so bright, riding forward into the light. Every step, the world feels new. A time for hope, for me and you. Through fields of gold, through rivers wide, the horse will lead our trusting guide. Hear the horse, gallop away, chasing dreams, we'll find our way. Who's a thunder, heart so bright, riding forward into the light. Year of the horse, gallop away, chasing dreams, we'll find our way. Who's a thunder, heart so bright, riding forward into the light.
Thank you, TK. Okay, that is all of our classroom performances. Now we're gonna have our children ring in the new year with a lion dance performance. The lion dance is an important tradition at big events like Lunar New Year to chase away evil spirits and bring good fortune. And so Commodore Stockton students will now perform the lion dance to bring in the year of the horse, where we'll ride through the year with strength and success. May the year of the horse, the fire horse, ignite your dreams and fuel your passions.
多謝所有學生帶嚟精彩嘅表演。跟住落嚟，我哋嘅細路仔將通過舞獅表演迎接新年嘅到嚟。舞獅係農曆新年等重要節慶活動中嘅傳統表演，寓意驅邪避凶，帶嚟好運。而家由我哋Commodore Stockton嘅學生帶嚟舞獅表演，迎接馬年嘅到嚟。用火馬之年點燃我哋嘅夢想，激發我哋嘅熱情，讓我們以力量以成功奔馳新嘅一年。
our Lunar New Year celebration now, and we would like to end with a whole school song. Once again, I want to wish everyone a wonderful year of the horse, and may we all be healthy, happy, and successful here in this new year. 再一次恭祝大家恭喜發財，馬到功成嚇。
多謝所有老師嘅太仔，我哋嘅農曆新年慶祝活動即將接近尾聲，最後我哋將以全校大合唱作為結束，再次祝願大家晚年健康快樂，萬事如意，恭喜發財。
就要吹醒大地，恭喜恭喜。